guys, we have made it to the military base. We're getting everything out of the first trailer now. Next clips are going to be some footage of us working.
Yes, sir.
So stay tuned. Just got everything off the trailer. Now we're going to put some boards up on it and go from there.
5, 6, 6.
We're putting 2x4s up to hold everything together. We're going to flip them over, and I'm not sure what we're doing after that. So, yep, this is what I'm doing for 5 days. What do you think?
My screws are fucking stuck.
He's having some problems right now with his nail gun, but it is about to piss pour the rain. All we hear is thunder right now, but this is what we're doing. Still putting 2x4s up. We have 2 more rows front and back to do. So as of now, we've sorted through all the shelves, getting all that lined up in row for this. So we're going by number of what to put it in. It's about to thunderstorm. See, there's lightning right now. So we're all working in this trailer. Got some fans up, listening to some good music. So this is what we're doing. All those are shells. I think after this, we're going to go eat some Mexican. So we're done for today, 2 hours early. We're going to go get some food and then go to our hotel, and we're like trying to get out of this crazy storm. It's been lightning for, what do you think, Jake, 30 minutes?
Probably.
But all that's a storm front. So it's all the way over there. Oh yeah, there was some. It's only like misting right now though. Like it's kind of crazy. We got a severe weather warning and it's just chill. But tomorrow we're gonna do some wiring, I guess, and get all that set up. But Lee is thinking that we're gonna be done by tomorrow, so 2 days in. The show is Saturday. But I'm excited to try this new leg routine out and then do this again tomorrow. That's so wicked, dude. Alright guys, so didn't get to work out yesterday, but we're back out here on the base. Me and Alex are getting in these boxes and taking the shells down there for the other guys to load up into the shells or mortars. But this will be mine and Alex's home for probably all day. So hopefully I can get some gym footage in there. But this is what I'll be doing. All right, guys, it's show day. We are at the festival that we're shooting for, and the stage is up there somewhere. We are shooting tonight at 9:45. So stay tuned, and this next time I pick y'all up, we'll be shooting the fireworks.